Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video, I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to see the battery voltage. Now on these vehicles, you can see it through the vehicle infotainment system. This video should apply to 14th generation of Ford F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Now there was a facelift in 2024, so this screen might look a bit different, but I'm pretty sure this part should be the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. You will be using these menu buttons on the right side of the steering wheel and look at the screen on the instrument cluster. So I will squeeze my phone in here. You want to press the menu button once and then go down to gauges, press OK. And select measurements, press OK again, and here at the bottom you will see the battery voltage. Very easy to do. On these vehicles you don't have to measure it manually with the multimeter. Vehicle will provide that information. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.